Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Tucson headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. Gather essential tools like a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new headlight bulbs. Always consult your owner's manual for specific details regarding your model. Safety is paramount, so take your time and follow each step carefully. Now, open your vehicle's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a plastic cover or a few clips to gain clear access to the bulb. Use your screwdriver if necessary to carefully detach these components. Once visible, gently disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it straight off the bulb. With the connector removed, you can now take out the old bulb. Depending on your model, it might be held in place by a spring clip or a twist lock mechanism. Carefully unclip or twist it counterclockwise to remove. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its plastic base to avoid touching the glass, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, ensuring it seats firmly. Once the new bulb is in place, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely. Before putting everything back together, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. If it illuminates, you can then reattach any covers or clips you removed earlier. Double-check that all components are fastened tightly for a secure and complete installation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.